What you see behind me is the solution for all of the Indian Army's small arms warriors. You have assault rifles, battle rifles, and carbines in every single small arms cannon. Let me start by OFP designed and developed 7.62 51 battle rifle that was developed around 5 years back in response to the Indian Army's requirement for a new battle rifle. This is the INSAS 1C, the final version of the INSAS that was designed by the ARD and produced by the OFP in the 90s. This version was developed with the Indian Army in 2016 but didn't enter service. 5.56 45 carbine designed by the ARD, produced by the OFP. The INSAS carbine, compact version of the same assault rifle. A lot of common parts with the INSAS 1C. The joint venture protective carbine, possibly the only carbine in the world that fires the 5.56 30 round. This was developed by the OFP and ARD. The TRICHY assault rifle, a copy of the AK-47 made by the Ordnance factory, TRICHY OFP. This is the fixed butt version of the TAR. The TAR is 4 variants, but it's the fixed butt and the folding butt that are in service. Over 20,000 of these TARs are in service with the paramilitary police and central armed police force. The belt-fed LMG, which is the Indian version of the Mag 58. It was basically features a chopped out barrel and a buttstock does functions. And we have the Baby TAR, India's smallest assault rifle, a compact version of the TRICHY assault rifle. It's also called the M3. We're calling it the Baby TAR simply because of how innovative this is. This is the baby of, these are the parents of this. This is father, the mother, and the child.